it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Walk right through it. I spoke too soon. Why'd I have to say that?
I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Bread that way. little wiggle.
Oh yeah! That's what I want to get. I want to get like Carl, fucking black smoke pouring out, wheels spinning, mud flying everywhere.
You need to put a little TDI.
Yeah, that's what you need. A mini. How am I gonna? I can't see anything. I see a red arrow that says go that way. But you just keep getting pulled into the woods. Transmission, if that makes sense. Like the ratios are just closer together, so you got like first and then first and a half. Yeah. We're here now.
Yes, I want you to tell your father we're good. Yes, I want you to tell your father we're good. We can talk about this when we get back to the hotel. Okay. I'm not going to try that.
I was gonna say,
There ain't no reason to get high cutter or rocket.
next tree's sticking off the way.
You did have to play windscreen.
I did. You're welcome.
Yeah. Honestly, with the amount of force that you and Carl probably could have just felt like this.
I'm just surprised it wouldn't grab the rock. Like I wasn't trying to really shove it in there with my foot because I didn't want to suck my foot in.
Yeah.
But it just wasn't like pulling the rock under.
I will after all this. You are right though, it's cooler on that side.
I told you. Get yourself a match.
I would like new carpet in this. I think it would quiet it down a lot.
I just want to do like a raptor liner or lizard skin, something like that. Just coat the inside of it to help with noise and I mean I really don't have heat problems in mine.
Mine is that like tinging sound, like you can hear off everything. As much as I scrape the damn everything.
Yeah, this whole trail is because we took them sway bars, linked things off.
Oh, that's why I did
in
it.
the hitch.